Three stocks affected by the new mutated B11529 COVID coronavirus variant. One of them is AHPI, Allied Health Inc., currently trading at $9.11, a gain of $3.73, which is 69.14% in this pre-market session of the 26th of November 2021. What you're looking at right now is live for AHPI stock. This is what is going on right now live. It is one of the stocks that is affected by this news that we have a newly mutated variant, the B11529. So Allied Health Products is a company that manufactures and markets respiratory products for use in the health care industry in a range of hospitals and alternate site settings worldwide. There have been a pattern in the past where concerns about coronavirus variants caused the stock price of Allied Health Products to jump in price. That's what we're looking at right now. Maybe market participants think it's going to something is coming up for AHPI. It has gained $3.5, a gain of 65.61%. The other one is ISPC. ISPC, we believe, obviously this company deals with biospecimens. The CDC has consulted, and a lot of state governments in the US have consulted the company to supply them with biospecimens and all that stuff. So this is what we are looking at right now. ISPC, iSpecimen Inc., up 54.41%. At some point we saw it gain about 63%. So we have a price target for ISPC at 21.96 or thereabouts. This was before this mutation came up. This was before it came up, and the stock has been on the move. Yes, it's been on the move before this. So this additional catalyst will definitely, I'm sure there's a very good chance it will get to 21.96. So ISPC is one of them. The other one is not so good. It's not so good for CCL. Carnival Corp down 10.37%. Obviously, being a cruise company, the stock will not certainly do well. It wouldn't usually. I mean, you wouldn't expect it to be doing that well. And some of these cruise ships, they go all the way down to South Africa. But this is also where this new variant is coming up from. So CCL down 10.52%, lost $2.212. A loss of 10.52% right now. But the momentum for some reason is not that bad. It's not that bad. It's just holding up. Actually looking bullish. Even the strength, the RSI is also not looking that bearish. This is what's going on live for Carnival Corp. CCL stock down 10.42%. So let's return to AHPI. AHPI was up 68.59%. So let's see whether we can determine a price target for AHPI. We have 1016 here, and we have 8.85. So let's see whether we can come up with a price target. 1016. $2.61834. So let's add this current price of 9.29 to it, and we have 12.7195, 12.72. Is it possible that AHPI will get to $12.72 in this session, in this pre-market session, and indeed the regular session? Mind you, this regular session of the 26th is not going to be that long because of the holidays in the US. So AHPI has now gained 71%. The gain was actually higher than what it is right now. At some point it was trading at 10.16, which is obviously higher than this 72.12% we're looking at right now. But we can also see that the momentum, it's finding it difficult to continue to extend. It's not overbought at the moment, but just holding up, just at the mid-range there. So too the RSI. The RSI is somewhere just at the mid-range as well. This is what is going on live for AHPI stock. what's going on live. So let's quickly return to ISPC and see what's going on there. The gain is now 66.18. Yes, it has broken that resistance that was there for some time. They had the resistance around roughly $16. Has broken that now. It's extending to 16, as I said, it to 16.85, which is a gain of 64.80. Will it get to 21.94 in this session or indeed the post-market session? There's every chance that can happen. So let's look at CCL stock. Let's see what's going on with CCL. Still maintaining that loss of 10.52%. So let's return AHPI and see what's going on there. AHPI still maintaining that. It seems ISPC is the biggest mover right now. Strongly bullish, extending momentum, indicating overbought conditions. RSI as well, the same thing. We're seeing a huge move right now. It's up 64.8%. Volume 9,502 right now. We have it's strongly bullish. You can see here what's going on. There's more buying there. There's no selling volume there right now. It's strictly buying. Okay, just a small amount of volume of selling has just come in there, but it is largely buying right now. So far, the volumes right now have been on the buying side. So far, the majority of the volumes we're looking at right now, the stock is trading at 16.80, mostly buy volumes right now. 16.80, a gain of 64.71%. This is yes, this is affecting the stock positively. Now $17. Volume still indicating that more people are buying, more market participants are buying. They are not selling, as we see the stock extend further. Still extending bullishly. It's departed away from all of its moving averages at 17.17 now. A gain of 68.33, 67.35. So let's look at AHPI. Let's see whether it has caught this recent momentum as well. Okay, it's still facing some challenges there. Let's see CCL. CCL obviously is not doing that well. We don't expect it to do well, but still maintaining the loss of 10.52%, $18.04. That's the gain. That's the price. So ISPC, I think, is still carrying the day. Amongst these three stocks. Still extending for 17.42. The bulk of the buying is still on the. The bulk of the volume is still on the buying side. You can see there's just a small amount of the sell volume there. Yes, a small amount of that volume are being sold. The bulk of them are being bought. That's the green bar you see there. 17.34, a gain of 70%. ISPC strongly bullish and extending, breaking all the indicators. All indicators are flashing overbought. Extending bullishly, 17.65, 17.66. Market participants are trying to make sure they don't miss out anything on ISPC right now. Is it? Are we going to get to 21.94 our price target? Is it possible? Is that a likelihood? So let's look at AHPI right now. AHPI still maintaining there, still struggling, getting support from its 10-day moving average right now. Nothing is really going on there. CCL, let's see CCL. I believe it's still maintaining that. It's still maintaining the loss of 10.52%. ISPC, we just can't get enough of this. Let's ISPC. Let's see. It's 72.55 new highs. The volume still on the buy side. Still on the buy side. You know, it's just lost some volume there. Lost some gain there. 70.59%. This is rather an update to even the video we just uploaded a few seconds ago. So the stocks affected by the three stocks affected by the new mutated B11529. Obviously ISPC, HPI, and CCL. CCL is the worst of them all. Just lost 10%. ISPC up 72.35. Market participants are buying. Just a very small amount right now are selling. This is what's going on right now live for ISPC. Let's see whether AHPI has broken that resistance. Still hasn't broken down. It's still even retracing downwards. Let's return to ISPC. Let's see. Gain is 75%, 17.85. That's the price now, 17.86. Still the bulk of the buying. See that? See the bulk of the volumes are on the buy side. Let's see CCL. I don't expect anything. I expect even worse to happen. Okay, it's actually trying to gain some. It has gained some. So let's return to AHPI before we get back to ISPC. Okay, still, at least moving sideways, not losing a lot at the moment, just moving sideways, but gradually trying to challenge that 10-day moving average. But ISPC is I think is more market participants rely on it better. 17.95 now, 75.98%. That's the gain. All indicators right now we are looking at right now indicating very strong conditions. The stock is completely overbought right now, based on what the momentum and the relative strength indexes are indicating. So we are looking at 3 stocks affected by the new COVID mutation, the B11529. So see what you make of these stocks. Just be really careful with them. They have the fundamentals behind them. Just be really careful. We'll continue to update you as things continue to develop concerning this mutation and the stocks affected by them. Thank you very much for watching this video.